Hello everyone. In this video we will tell you how to install a full node Swampcoin wallet on your Windows PC. This type of wallet is the most secure way to store your coins and work with the blockchain. At first we need to download the wallet installation file. Go to the swampcoin.club website, then go to the Wallets Downloads menu section. Then click on the link called Windows 64-bit Wallet and the file will start downloading. Now let's go to the folder where the downloaded file is saved. In our case this is the standard Downloads folder, and extract files from the archive. Then move the folder that appears to a permanent location. In our case let it be local disk D. For convenient use, we will create a main folder called Swamp. Place in it the folder that we just extracted from the archive. And inside it a folder for storing blockchain files called Swampcore. Go into the folder that we extracted from the archive, and then into another folder named Qt. Create a shortcut to launch the Swamp wallet. And move it to the desktop. Now let's launch the wallet by double-clicking on the shortcut. A Windows warning window will then open, but don't worry, it's not malware. This warning exists because the wallet program is open source and does not have a digital signature according to Microsoft standards. Then click on More Info. Then click on Run Anyway. Then the wallet window will open, where it will offer a choice of installation path. This is the folder where the blockchain and wallet data files will be located. Select and specify the path to the folder that we just created and named Swampcore. If everything is done correctly, then click OK. Then a Next System window will open. To allow you to use the network, click Allow Access. Wait a while until the wallet application is initialized. Now we'll open the wallet window. This means that the wallet is already installed and running. Now we need to add actual list of nodes. Go to the website swampcoin.club, then to Info and Manuals menu. And in the submenu click on Actual Nodes List. In window that opens, select List of Nodes and copy it to clipboard. Go to the window of our Swamp wallet. Click Menu, Tools, then Open Wallet Configuration File. Window may appear here for selecting an application. We select only Notepad and nothing else. Be especially careful here. If you edit this file using text editors such as WordPad or Microsoft Word, the file will be saved in the wrong format. And this will lead to an error in the wallet application. That is, the wallet will not start. When swamp.conf window open in Notepad and then paste the copied list of nodes there. Then save the changes to the file and close it. Now close the wallet application and launch it again so that the changes in the config file are applied. After restarting, we should see blue network indicator, sticks, in the lower right corner of application window. This means that the wallet has connected to peers and the synchronization process has begun. Then need to wait for wallet to synchronize with blockchain network. Now I will show you another way how you can add a list of nodes to the wallet, by directly opening the config file. First we need to know the path to the main wallet folder. To see the path to this folder, click on Tools, and then in the drop-down menu on Information. In the window that opens, the path to the wallet's working folder will be visible. Enter this folder and open the file with the name, swamp.conf, only using the standard application, Notepad. We just added the nodes list to the file. So in this case we don't need to do anything else. Therefore close this config file. Now Swampcoin wallet is fully installed and connected to the blockchain network. All that's left is to wait for full synchronization. For your information, synchronization from the beginning of blocks can take an average of from 5 to 7 hours. I tell how to speed up this process in another video. You can ask any questions about working with Swampcoin in the community's official social networks. Thanks for watching.